seasons in India. There are three seasons: summer season, rainy season, winter season. Let's see the seasons. Summer. It is very hot in summer season. Summer season falls in February, March, April and May. Summer is the hottest season, having longest day and shortest nights. It is longer season than other seasons. Rainy. It is rainy in rainy season. Rainy season falls in June, July, August and September. Rainy season brings new hope and a big relief to everyone's life. After hot summer, plants, trees, birds and animals, including humans, wait for this season very eagerly. Winter. It is cold in winter. Winter falls in October, November, December